Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Settings app and going straight to Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing. Tap the entry labeled Screen Time on iPhone or Digital Wellbeing on Android. Once done, make sure any device passcode is entered so you can access detailed reports. You're doing this now to collect accurate data, not to change limits yet. If you see an initial summary, pause and note the time range shown. Today lasts 7 days, or monthly, so you can compare usage consistently. Now dive into the detailed breakdown by switching the view to last 7 days or month to spot patterns. Tap each category like social, entertainment, or productivity to see which groups consume most of your time. Then open the app-level view to read minutes used and pick up counts for specific apps. Make sure to scroll for background activity and screen-on time differences. Those explain silent usage versus active interaction. Take note of any spikes and the days with the highest. Finally, act on what you found by setting app limits or enabling downtime for the highest usage apps. This enforces daily caps. You can also configure focus or do not disturb to cut notifications and lower pickups. Once limits are set, monitor the next few days to measure effect. If usage data is missing or seems wrong, restart the device, check that Screen Time Sync or Digital Wellbeing permissions are enabled, and verify the correct account is signed in. Those fixes usually resolve most reporting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.